So about a month ago, my niece knew I was looking for a recumbent bike, and she found this semi-recumbent giant Reeve. Um, she found it online. It was like $50, which was way cheaper than what most of them that I've looked at were. Well, the seat was stuck and the shift cable was broken. So I got about $100 wrapped up into it with the fixing the cable and fixing the seat. So it wasn't too bad of a price for a bike. I've been riding this for about a month. And she asked me if that's what I really wanted when she brought it over, because she didn't know what I was really talking about. But I kind of jokingly said, no, it'll work, but I really wish I had like a Terra trike and more of a recumbent, and but they were too expensive and I couldn't afford one. Yeah, it's like 7 a.m. and it's been well over 100 degrees the last few days, and there's not supposed to be any break in sight. Well, let's see what we got underneath here. I've been trying to get some exercise in because my A1C has been way out of whack lately, and I'm trying to get that under control. And my niece does a lot of looking around on different websites, and after I explained to her what kind of a bicycle I was looking for, she happened to come across it and picked it up. Very reasonable price. And I've only been out on it once so far, but I haven't even found a place to put it in a shed yet, so that it doesn't get messed up. But I don't know how old it is. It was used, but the gentleman didn't do much with it, I guess. But yeah, I got a nice Rover Terra trike. I'm going to take it out for a spin this morning. Kind of butterflies along here. Kind of peaceful cruising along the countryside here. Well, as you can see, we got a pretty small town. This is our downtown here. Post office and one single bar. The gentleman that runs that's 90 years old, still going strong. And there's a dance hall, fire department dance hall. Co-op, of course, farming community. Years before I was ever in town, this was an old grocery store. They turned it into a home. Old gas station.